Hi everyone! Today we are excited to share with you some of the coolest new features of Fedora 6 and give you a quick update on what we're working on. I'm Erin and I am the program coordinator for Fedora, and I'm working alongside David Wilcox, who's the program leader for Fedora here at Lyrasis. We put together this highlight reel to focus on things that we're most excited about with the new release and hope that you are as pumped as we are about them. We are weeks away from an initial beta release of the long-awaited Fedora 6 and can't wait to show you what it can do. I'm going to turn it over to David now, who's going to show you what we've got in store.
Thanks, Aaron. So there's a ton of great features in Fedora 6, and these are the top 4 that we think you'll be the most excited about. Migration support, enhanced digital preservation capabilities, improved performance and scale, and built-in search. So let's take a closer look at each of these features. Many members of the Fedora community are still running older, unsupported versions of the software. We know migrations have been challenging, so we really prioritized robust migration support with Fedora 6.0. We now have tools and documentation that'll help get you from any previous version to the latest version of Fedora. And you can also expect to do fewer migrations in the future because of our decision to adopt the Oxford Common File Layout. The Oxford Common File Layout, or OCFL, is an emerging digital preservation standard that defines how the contents of your repository should be laid out on disk. The OCFL is an independent effort that provides many more benefits than we have time to cover in this video, but you can visit ocfl.io to learn more. Fedora has always supported digital preservation practices, and the OCFL further enhances this support by providing a transparent file and folder layout that is readable by both humans and machines. This layout represents the complete intellectual contents of your repository, so it is not reliant on Fedora or any other application. And future versions of Fedora will continue to comply with the OCFL, so you won't need to migrate your data again the next time you release a new version. We've also taken the opportunity to simplify the storage architecture in Fedora 6, which has allowed us to make significant performance and scale improvements. We've also added built-in support for metrics, so you can measure Fedora's performance in real time. And if further optimizations need to be made, the simplified architecture will make these improvements much easier to implement. Finally, there's been a long-standing request from the technical community to add a built-in search feature. You asked, we listened, and this feature is now available via a dedicated API. The search endpoint is built off an internal database, which is configurable, and it supports a small set of basic queries that should be useful for developers and administrators, though this is not meant to replace a fully featured external search service such as Solr. This new search feature will not change the existing Fedora API, which remains compliant with Fedora 5.0. So we hope you're excited about these new features because they're available to test now in the alpha release of Fedora 6.0. The alpha is nearly feature complete, though of course you can expect to encounter a few bugs. And we expect to reach feature completion in December, at which point we'll release a beta. We'd love to get your feedback on these releases as we work to fix bugs and validate the software ahead of the official 6.0 release, which we expect to happen in early 2021.
So thanks for all that info, David. As you can see, we've got some pretty exciting changes coming your way. If you'd like to learn more about Fedora 6, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we are going to keep you updated as we get closer to the official product release. In the meantime, you can follow along by joining our communication channels or heading over to our website. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.